The GoPro is one of the best action cameras out there, but if you want to capture smooth, high-quality footage, you need the right SD card. Choosing the wrong one could mean corrupted files, slow transfer speeds, or even your GoPro refusing to record. So today, we're breaking down the top 5 best SD cards for GoPro that deliver the speed, reliability, and storage you need for your adventures. Starting off at number 5, we have the Lexar Professional 633X. This is an affordable yet reliable choice for GoPro users who don't need the absolute fastest speeds, but still want solid performance. It offers up to 100 megabyte per second read speeds, making it capable of handling full HD and even 4K recording at moderate bit rates. However, if you're shooting in high frame rates like 120 or 240 FPS, this card might struggle to keep up, leading to dropped frames. But for standard video recording and casual users, it's a great budget option. Moving on to number 4, we have the Samsung Evo Select. Samsung has built a strong reputation in the memory card space, and the Evo Select is one of the best mid-range options. It boasts up to 130 megabyte per second read speeds, which is a step up from the Lexar 633X. This means you can shoot 4K video more reliably, and the faster transfer speeds make it easier to move large files to your computer. It's also highly durable, with Samsung claiming it's waterproof, temperature-proof, and shock-proof. If you want a balance between performance and affordability, this is a great pick. At number 3, we have the Samsung Pro Plus. If you're looking for more speed and reliability, this is where things get serious. The Samsung Pro Plus delivers up to 160 megabyte per second read speeds and 120 megabyte per second write speeds, making it one of the best SD cards for GoPro's higher bitrate recording. Whether you're shooting in 4K 60 FPS or slow-motion 1080p at 240 FPS, this card will keep up with the demand. It's also A2 rated, meaning it's optimized for apps and quick access speeds, making it useful if you plan to use it across multiple devices. Now, coming in at number 2, we have the SanDisk Extreme Pro. SanDisk is a go-to brand for professionals, and the Extreme Pro lives up to its name. With up to 200 megabyte per second read speeds and 140 megabyte per second write speeds, this card is an absolute powerhouse. It's perfect for GoPro Hero 11, Hero 12, and other high-end models that demand fast and consistent performance. If you're filming action-packed adventures, extreme sports, or cinematic content, this card will handle everything from 4K HDR to high bitrate footage without breaking a sweat. Finally, at number 1, the best SD card for GoPro is the Lexar Professional 1066X. This is the ultimate choice for those who need maximum speed and reliability. It offers up to 160 megabyte per second read speeds and 120 megabyte per second write speeds, making it one of the fastest cards you can get. Whether you're filming in 4K 120 FPS, super slow motion, or even raw photo bursts, this card will keep up with your GoPro's most demanding settings. On top of that, it's built for extreme conditions, meaning it's shockproof, waterproof, and resistant to extreme temperatures. If you want the absolute best performance, this is the SD card to go for. So there you have it. Our top 5 picks for the best SD cards for GoPro. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or a high-performance card for professional use, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know which SD card you're using for your GoPro.